Hello everyone and welcome to Hasty. In the previous video we showed you how to use Hasty to streamline your annotation experience on an instance segmentation task. If you missed it, please check it out via a link down below or through the pop-up notification in the upper right corner of your screen. Today we're going further and covering the quality control process for the instance segmentation task. In detail, we will talk about AI-powered quality control feature known as AI consensus scoring and some tips and tricks you should know before using it. Also, we will show you how to analyze the results you might get from the AI CS. Hopefully, this tutorial will give you a better understanding of how to use Hasty successfully. Let's jump in. Right now we have 30 images labeled. We can proceed and label more images, but I think it's better to review the existing annotations using Hasty AI-powered quality control feature known as AI consensus scoring. As you might know, data quality is just as important, if not more important, as data quantity. Let's navigate to the menu and get to the AI consensus scoring environment. From now, we just need to schedule a new run. Let's give it some name, for example, run 1. As we're trying to solve an instance segmentation task, we can either use class or instance segmentation review. Class review will find annotations with the wrong class. Instance segmentation review will search for instances with the wrong shape, as well as artifacts, missed annotations, and extra labels. Another important thing to mention is the retrain model flag. If it's toggled off, AI CS will use the model from the instance segmentation AI assistant, which might be outdated. So I recommend retraining a model just to make sure that the algorithms are up to date and have a better chance of producing nice results. Let's schedule a class review. So the AI CS runs are complete, which is great. It took them about 10 minutes to run, which is very fast. Still, it's important to highlight that more data means longer runs. As you can see, instance segmentation run didn't find any errors, which means we are good in terms of IS. Let's check out the class review. Just click on the run's name to see the suggestions. As you might remember, class review checks the classes assigned to annotations. As you can see, it found 6 potential mistakes we need to resolve. AICS allows you to accept, reject, or manually correct its suggestions. The potential mistakes are sorted with the most likely errors being at the top. As you can see, all of the class review suggestions are more of a noise, so we can just reject them. That is how you do quality control with AI consensus scoring. You don't look for mistakes, you just resolve the potential ones predicted by algorithms, which spare you tons of time. Unfortunately, the results of the class review run are more of the noise, but they are still helpful to get a better understanding of how AI models work. As you can see, AI algorithms confuse cheetah and leopard, which is logical as these cats look quite similar. To avoid such a mistake on a production model, we'll need to label more cheetahs and leopards. Also, it's worth mentioning that if you have a lot of wrong suggestions, that might signalize of a class imbalance. In our case, we didn't annotate many tigers, so the algorithms didn't have a chance to learn their appearance. More tiger annotations will fix such a problem. Additionally, you can review the suggestions directly in the annotation environment. Let me show you how to do it. First, you need to click on a suggestion, return to the annotation environment. Just a second. Click on the Advanced Filters button. Choose the necessary AI consensus scoring run, so for example run 1. Then filter the images, for example choose only images with unresolved errors, and simply review all the potential mistakes in the annotation view. Just click on the exclamation mark and you will see the predicted label, the current label, and you will have the opportunity to either accept or reject it. The obtained results are valuable, but let me show you the real power of AICS. To do so, I preemptively duplicated the project and invested much more time and effort in the data annotation process. As you can see, in this project I annotated 125 images compared to just 30 in the initial one. As for the labels, in the new project there are 264 labels, whereas in the old one there are just 36. So in a sense, I just gave AICS more data to work with. Let's see if it affects the produced suggestions. As an example, I scheduled the class review. Let's see the suggestions themselves. Awesome! The suggestions are no longer the noise. They're actually valuable. So if you're not satisfied with the AICS performance, please try adding more labeled images to your project, as the models might simply underperform because of the small size of the training set. Today we showed you how to control the quality of your labels for the instance segmentation task using the AI-powered functionality offered by Hasty. We hope that this video helped you get a glimpse of Hasty potential. If you are looking for an ML platform, look no further. Hasty is a vision AI platform that helps you throughout the ML lifecycle. In short, we take care of a lot of the MLOps so you don't have to. Please check out our Content Hub or book a demo via the link below if you want to know more. Thanks for staying with us. Please leave a like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Have a good one. Peace.